friends, I am Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the weather application review on the POCO X3 device. So I'll be going in-depth details about the weather application, what are the things you need to know, and what are the hidden features as well in the weather application. And in case if you are wondering what launcher I'm using, this is the iOS launcher 14, so which is very good, which has iOS step control panel and everything. So I'll do another setup video as well in case if you are interested. So make sure to check the links in description for more details about the iOS launcher and other videos on the POCO X3 device as well. So right now in the default weather application, which is a very good thing. So first is that I did notice there is a new quality index meter as well, as you can see. So few of the cities you do have this kind of option. Few cities doesn't display the quality air quality, as you can see here. So that's another good advantage feature which is present here. So next is that there is a hidden feature which is having the sound effects. So right now it's raining, as you can see friends, it's raining and you can hear the sound effects as well when it's raining. So as you can see, so this is a feature which is present in built. You need to go to the settings. So once you're in the settings, so try to enable this sound effects. So only it will work when you enable that option. So try to enable that one. So in the settings you do have option to change the temperature units and even the wind speed, what type of measurement you want, even the atmospheric pressure units as well, what type you want. As you can see, update at night automatically. So if you want, you can enable that option as well. So there is no other option of enabling it for every intervals. I wish there should be an option of enabling for refresh for every 1 hour, refresh for every 2 hours, that kind of option, but it's not present. So there is only update at night available. But definitely whenever you open the weather application, the temperature will automatically get updated. So that's another advantage here. But definitely the most interesting feature of this weather application is that having this sound effects. That's the most interesting feature, friends, in this POCO X3 device. So which is very good. As I said, only few cities will be having the air quality measurement, as you can see here. So not all the cities you cannot find here, only few cities can be found here. So this is a quick oral review on the weather application in the POCO X3 device. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video, friends. And don't forget to check the playlist as well for in-detail reviews on the POCO X3 device. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.